What are you doing, Max? What are you doing? What are you making?
I'm making cookies.
For what? What kind of, are they birthday cookies?
No.
What kind of cookies are they?
Christmas cookies.
Christmas cookies. Are we going to have a party today?
No. Yeah.
Are our friends going to come over?
Yep.
Wow.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah?
Hey, Yaya.
What?
Any kids come over?
I think some kids are going to come over. Maybe Ella and Ava are going to come.
Boy coming?
He's like, you didn't say any boy names? Ella and Ava are fun to play with. Yeah, 2 girls are going to come and play with you.
I'll cookies to eat that and friends.
We're going to put frosting on the cookies.
Frosting?
Yeah.
Made the cookies frosting.
Gabriel, can you clap your hands?
I think I'm going to have a chance to dress around the party.
Max, can you show Gabriel how to clap your hands?
Clap, 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 Gabriel. Clap, clap, Gabriel. Clap. Cookies.